Hi everyone, welcome back to Slate Secrets YouTube channel. We have a crochet hairstyle to talk about from Amazon. The hair vendor's name is Youngther Hair. We are reviewing their 18-inch long Ombre Passion Twist crochet hair. So let's go ahead and check this hair out. So, they gave us 7 packages of hair. Also, they gave a crochet hook, 2 hair clips, hair jewelry, and a mirror.
Those are all of the goodies, so let's get started.
First topic is initial shedding. So this hair, right, is like braiding hair. So you could actually comb your fingers through the actual curls because each strand is a coil, right? For example, this strand used to be one coil, but as you can see, you can start to separate it. It separates very easily. So you can make more strands out of this hair. You would have to separate every strand in order to see shedding. So initially there's no shedding. Next topic is true to length. These strands are supposed to be 18 inches long, so let's double check. So the 18-inch mark is right here. As you can see, these strands do fall right just about at 18 inches long. So these strands are true to length, so kudos to that. As far as smell, it smells like synthetic hair. The strands don't have a bad smell at all, so kudos to that. As far as texture, you can definitely tell that this hair is synthetic because of how firm it is. It doesn't feel rough. It's firm because of the curls. This hair actually feels like any other synthetic braiding hair that you would find at the hair store. So if you are used to the texture of braiding hair, that is basically how this hair feels. As far as pattern, the hair vendor calls this hair pattern Passion Twist.
Then as far as volume,
this hair has so much bounce, lots of volume. As far as tangles, these individual strands are together. If you were to tease them out, that's where you are going to get tangles. So only tease them out if you absolutely have to. And then the hair ends look good, you know. They're coiled together. So when you separate this hair to do braids, or if you decide to keep it together to crochet them in, you can get a curling flex rod. Wrap the hair around the flex rod, dip it in hot water,
and that will recreate the coils at the hair ends.
The thing that I do like about this hair is that you can use this hair for a variety of different hairstyles. You can create a ponytail, you can make braids, you can crochet this hair in, you can create a bun.
There are many different hairstyles you can create with this hair. With all of the hair together, it's plenty of hair. You have more than enough hair to use for your entire head.
So that's all for this video, just a show and tell. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any questions.
And be sure that you are subscribed to Slate Secrets YouTube channel.
I will see you in the next video. Bye.